Now I am taking your English class. Okay, A sound words. Today I am making you learn A sound words. Okay, let's see in the board. This is A sound words. Okay, now we are going to learn AG sounds. AG sounds. Okay. AG sounds words are bag, 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 FLAG, flag, RAG, rag. Understood everyone? These are the AG sound words. Which words? AG sound words. Okay. Let's tell with me. BAG, bag. FLAG, flag. RAG, rag. Understood? Now we are going to learn AN words. AN sound words. Okay. FAN, fan. FAN, fan. MAN, man. VAN, van. Understood? Again we are repeating these words, AN words. FAN, fan. MAN, man. VAN, van. Next, AP sound words. These are the words, AP sound words, okay? CAP, cap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. Okay. Next, AT sound words. Okay. CAT, cat. CAT, cat. This word is AT sound word. This word is AT sound word. This one is also AT sound word. AT. BAT, bat. These all words are A sound words. Okay. BAT, bat. RAT, rat. These words are A sound words. Understood everyone? And you have to learn these words. Okay. After 10 minutes, I will ask you again. A sound words. I'll ask you the words which are the A sound words. Okay.